What are solar sails? Can we build one in large enough to transport humans, and what are the speeds it can attain? And how will it help us once we get farther away from the sun? So, a solar sail is a technology that could become a reality very soon. So, it is essentially a very thin, very light sail like structure, typically made of a very highly reflective material, metal, usually. And it essentially works by the transfer of momentum from the electromagnetic field into the sail itself. So it basically gets a physical impulse from photons hitting it. So that's what a solar sail is. It works on the base because of radiation pressure. So radiation, like light, affects a physical pressure on objects, especially highly reflective objects, especially objects that are very light. So let me show you what a solar sail looks like. So this is an artist's depiction or representation of a solar sail. It's a very thin uh, structure, very light, and it's highly reflective. So there is a project being which is underway right now. It's called Breakthrough Star Shot. So this project uh, hopes to use this solar sail technology and send very small probes all the way to our nearest star, which is uh, Alpha Centauri. And there is this exoplanet around this star system, which is called Proxima Centauri b. So this project hopes to send a large number of probes to this planet using this technology. So these will be very small probes, maybe a gram or two in size. These are like basically chips, computer chips, but they will have some instruments on them, very basic instruments, which would hopefully, once they reach there, be able to send us data or images back to Earth. So the technology is that we will have about 1,000 of these probes. Each solar sail will be a few meters across, and it will contain this little chip-sized nano satellite or nano probe of sorts. And these will be accelerated to about 15 to 20% of the speed of light using lasers. So either ground-based lasers or space-based lasers in orbit around the Earth will fire beams of laser light at these probes one by one, and within 5 to 10 minutes accelerate them to around 15 to 20% of the speed of light. And that's how these 1,000 or so probes will go all the way to that star system. Why 1,000? Because many of them could get destroyed or damaged on the way because of impacts with cosmic dust. So that's why 1,000 of these probes will be sufficient, hopefully, to reach there, at least a few of them in one piece, and send back some useful data to us. So this should be able to reach there, if we do it today, in about 20 to 30 years, and then another 4 or so years for us to get the signals back from there. So this is a technology that is almost possible. We need some improvements in our existing technology to make it possible, but it could be, this project could actually take off in about a decade or so from today. So this is a technology that is very much feasible. It's only a decade or so away from today. We need to improve certain engineering and technological features, but it's very possible. Right now we are in a position to send these very small tiny probes to another star system, but in the future, as the technology improves, we could very well be possible, it could very well be possible to send human beings as well, which means basically you may have larger spacecraft which can hold humans, or a number of humans, which could be transported on the basis of this solar sail or photon sail or light sail technology. So that's what a light sail is. It's a very interesting technology. It is very much feasible, and it could happen soon. So it's one of the ways one could travel across space. It can it can transport payloads to a significant percentage of the speed of light, 10 to 15 to even 20% possibly. So that's the best we could have as of now, because chemical rockets can't attain such speeds. So this is the best technology potential technology that we have as of today that could enable us to cross interstellar space and reach another star system.